Hey everyone, it's Ben at Yawnder. Today we're sitting on the ThermoBalance LX mattress from Brooklyn Bedding. Latest model just came out this year. Great mattress. It's a hybrid, so it's got pocketed coils with multiple layers of foam and Talalay latex, all topped with a nice cooling cover that's going to draw away heat, keep you cool throughout the night. Has Energex foam as well, quilted into the top. Bouncy, responsive, open cell foam, so you don't get that stuck in the mud feeling. Also good at isolating motion. We got the medium here. It's great for combo sleepers, side, back, or stomach. If you're mostly side, go with soft. If you're more stomach and back, maybe consider the firm. Comes with a 120-night trial. Comes in 2 boxes, so that you're going to get the insert, which is in here, and then the cover. And this insert is going to dictate the firmness. So a very versatile mattress. Like I said, comes with a 120-night trial. Try it for 4 months, free shipping, free returns. Head over to Yawnder for more info.